morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, my weekend bonus kind of sucks. I have 7 for $1. We also have a larger bonus as well. I think I need like 50 for that one, which is pretty per usual for me. I did post an updated Walmart rewards video for you guys. So if you haven't had a chance to check that out, definitely do. That was the last video that I posted. We got more Flavor Wiki surveys, but they're requiring a video this time, which sucks. And so, I don't recall seeing it anywhere prior to like starting the survey. So I feel some type of way, let me just say that, because I did get all 6 items yesterday, and I haven't even, I started 2 of them just to see if they both were going to say a 30-second video, and they both did, so I kind of didn't even get past that. And I've done the video before. It's 30 seconds of you eating it, but it says you are somebody else, so that somebody else part is a little vague for me. So I'm just like, okay, do I have to know this other person? Do I have to have a relationship with this other person? Do I have to know this other somebody? And so I'm not really sure about that, but I will share the deals with you guys. They all are money makers, but when you include a video, I don't know, I think it puts it on a whole nother level, whether or not it's worth it or not. And so, but yeah, again, I will share those deals with you guys. I have an OTC coupon for the Coffee Mate, which we got from Star over on Instagram. Couponing with Star. She's here on YouTube as well. I'll pop that in the description. Let me know what you guys do. You guys prefer the links in the description or in the Google Doc? Because I've been putting them in the Google Doc, but I can put them in the description if it's easier for you guys. It doesn't really matter for me. Because when I put my Google Doc together, they're in my Google Doc, and so it's easy for me just to cut and paste it into the description. But other than that, you guys, I can't think of anything else to add. I will be able to knock out the 7 that I need, of course. I'm hoping I can hit that larger bonus. I think I hit it last time, so if I can, that would be pretty awesome. And so I will try to get some extra offers if there are good deals. I do have a money maker from Kroger, Food for Less. The survey for that, I have another retake. And so let me mention this really quick too. With Flavor Wiki, they are offering retakes now. And so with the retakes, thus far, I haven't repurchased the product because I assume it's a retake. Do I have to repurchase it? I just assume I don't have to. And I hadn't had any issues, and I haven't had any issues, but a few of you guys have said that they are requiring us to repurchase the product. And I did get an email from them saying that they were going to be offering retakes, and the value on those are a little higher. So I don't have a problem with repurchasing it, especially if the value is higher. And so I got the Kroger Pop-Tarts again. This is my 3rd retake on both accounts. Those retakes don't require a video, at least for me, they don't. So I have been grabbing the Pop-Tarts at Food for Less for $2.39, getting back 10. Makes it a really awesome moneymaker, like a 7-ish moneymaker, which is cool. And so other than that, we're gonna head into Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today, because your girl has talked enough. And I hope you liked the video. I mean, if you don't have to like it, if you don't want, let me just be honest. But I prefer if you like it. So with that being said, we're going to head over to Walmart, which is right here. See what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Alright, guys. So this first deal is on the Fresh Cravings hummus. I haven't bought hummus in forever. I used to get it from the farmer's market. Bomb. Anyways, listen, so this is a social nature offer on the Fresh Cravings. It has to be this particular flavor. It's priced at $3.92. You're going to get that back on Social Nature, make it absolutely free. I think this offer is still good throughout, I want to say March. So I'm gonna hold off in hopes that it'll eventually pop up on Ibotta. So this next deal, I saw Sweet Savings post in his last video, and I wanted to definitely check and see if I could find any of the peelies, which I did. They don't have a whole lot left over here. There's one there. Okay, so for this deal, and these peelies are good until, let's see, when they're good till. They're good until the end of this year. So, for this, they're priced on rollback for $5.58. With this $2 peely, you'll pay $3.58 and then get back $2.50 on Fetch Reward with a limit of 5. Making them $1.08, which is definitely an awesome deal for this 36 ounce. Now I'm gonna pass on the deal. Maybe it'll eventually pop up on Ibotta. But I have a ton of mayo left. I even gave some to my sister, and I still have a ton left. So there's no need for me to do this deal. So this next set of deals is Flavor Wiki deals. Now, a Flavor Wiki. This time around, we have to do a video, which I'm not happy about because, you know, yeah, I'm not happy about that. Anyways, the first deal is on the Ritz toasted chips. It's on the cheddar, priced at $3.46. Getting back $4.80 on Flavor Wiki makes it $1.34 moneymaker. Okay, there's also an offer on the Go Fish Crisp on the cheddar flavor. Now, I got this deal yesterday. They had some dollar peelies on them. I don't see any here. They did expire on the 28th though. So these are priced at $3.52. I used dollar peely. I paid $2.52, got back $4.80 on Flavor Wiki, makes it a $2.28. There's also one on the regular goldfish, which are priced at $2.77, getting back $3.80, makes it a $1.03 moneymaker. Is the Cheez-It Snapped. It's on the white cheddar flavor, priced at $3.78. I grabbed this yesterday. The store I got it from, it was on rollback. And then getting back $4.80 on Flavor Wiki makes it a $1.80 moneymaker. And then next up is the Great Value Cheddar Cheese Crackers, priced at $4.12. Getting back $5.50 makes it a $1.38 moneymaker. The last deal that I'm gonna grab is on the Cheetos, the crunchy flavor, priced at $3.33. Getting back $5.50 on Flavor Wiki and 50 cents on Ibotta, makes it a $2.67 moneymaker. Really, really quick, you guys. I really, really like the I said lolly. I was gonna say lollipop. I really like the Olipop sodas. I like the root beer and the grape. Those are two of my favorite flavors. So yeah, I'm excited about that because I actually really like those, and they were free. So yeah. All right, next up is just another reminder. This is still a really good deal on the C4 packets. They're priced at $6.28. Grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $12.56, getting back 4 on Ibotta, $6.28 through aisles, making it $2.28 for the 2 or $1.14. Right, next up is the BioLife creamer. It is a free offer on Ibotta. So we're gonna grab one at $4.88. We're gonna get that back, making that absolutely free. All right, next up is the Silk Kids. Also saw Sweet Savings post this as well. He found $2 hang tags. I don't see any. They're priced at $4.88. So if you grab one, you get back $3 on Ibotta, making that $1.88. Of course, if you could find the $2 hang tag, makes it a moneymaker with a limit of 3. So this next deal, I'm always happy when I can buy creamer because your girl lives off coffee. I did this deal, a couple hauls ago, used the hang tag for $1, didn't get credit on Ibotta. So I tried it and I really liked it. Only thing is, I have to remind myself that it's not whipped cream, it's freaking creamer. Did see Couponing with Star post an OTC offer over on her Instagram page. I'll have a link for you in the description. I'm hoping it's still available for you because those offers don't last very long. Like, I always have to remind myself to freaking go to the, click the link, screenshot the barcode, because if you don't do that and it's gone, it's gone. So we're gonna grab one price at $4.47. We'll use a $3 OTC coupon, pay $1.47, get back to on Ibotta. It makes it a 53-cent moneymaker. Now the limit on Ibotta is 5. And I do have 5 different coupons because I have 5 different email addresses. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get all 5 on one transaction. Eggs are still hella expensive. Eggs are $39. That's like half a tank of gas. So I did get eggs yesterday at Sprouts. I've been getting them at Sprouts. They're the cheapest place I can find them for a dozen. Cage-free eggs for $3.99. I got back the 250 on Ibotta, brought them down to $1.49. All right, next up is the Glade warmers. We have a free offer on Ibotta for the single at $178. Getting that back makes it free. We also have an offer on the double pack, price at $328, getting back $250 on Ibotta, making that only 78 cents. All right, so next up is the Palmolive. So this offer, it reset on the sister apps this morning. We also have a $1 offer on Ibotta, limit of 1. So for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them, price at $2.82. Get back $4 on Tada. Swagbucks, my points are inbox, $1 on Ibotta, making them only 32 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal. And so, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. It's so pretty. Gosh, I have to smell it. Oh my gosh. Fresh lemonade. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Ooh. I wonder if you could get these. I'm really hoping that this offer resets on checkout 51. And that's the only reason why I'm holding off. I really want to get this one though. Joseph's gonna be like, what the hell is that? I'm gonna be like, what the hell? But anyways, I'm waiting to see if it's going to reset tomorrow for checkout 51. And if it does, I'm going to go ham. So next up is the Arm & Hammer scent boosters. I keep saying I'm going to do this, but I just can't bring myself to do it. They're priced at $5.44. Getting back $4 on Ibotta makes them $1.44 each. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Since they have some other store I went to didn't have any. And so I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of them, making them only $1.44 each. I see they have this particular gain softener on clearance, normally $4.47, on clearance for $3.94. It's not that much of a freaking rollback. Walmart, can y'all really roll some stuff back? If you want to check your area, I'll wait for it. That's why they got so many in here. They need to roll back a little bit more than that. There's $2 back for buying 2 on Ibotta, so it would make them what, $2.94 each? So yeah, it's gonna sit there on that shelf with the rest of them. Next up is the Arm & Hammer. A few of you guys let me know in my last video that this offers on the sister apps too. It's on checkout 51, I think y'all said. So I said, I might just can do that next time that I do a haul. So it's on the Arm & Hammer Complete Care. Well, Arm & Hammer toothpaste is priced at $3.98. Getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Swagbucks, as well as $1.50 on one of the sister apps, Swagbucks. My points inbox are Tada. Bring that total down to a 52-cent moneymaker. All right, so we have the Colgate total. They're priced at $3.96. They have this charcoal one. They have this one, just 3.3. I don't know why it's so tiny. That one's tiny too. I have this one at $3.96. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $1 back on Swagbucks, bringing that down to only 96 cents. Well, I don't say only. I say only like it's only like 2 cents. 96 cents is a lot for some toothpaste, especially when you're used to not paying for it. But if it's something that you absolutely need, they also have a deal on the Colgate Max Fresh as well, priced at $3.74. There's a $2 offer on Ibotta for that, making that $1.74. Okay, really quick, because you know I like to scan stuff and try stuff. The Max Fresh was working for an offer on the sister apps not too long ago, right? So I scanned it with Swagbucks, and it is working for this offer here. It's buy 2 get back 4, buy 1 get back $1.50. So you can grab the Max Fresh. The only one I actually scanned is this one. So you can grab one at $3.74, get back $2 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Swagbucks would make that 24 cents. I think I'm gonna grab that one. All right, so I was scanning some of these toothbrushes. There's an offer on Ibotta for $2 for this one here. The foaming clean one. So this is also working for the $4 when you buy 2 offer on Swagbucks. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab the toothbrush at $5.22. The Max Fresh is at $5.74. You'll pay $8.96. Get back $2 for each on Ibotta. two separate offers, and then we'll get back $4 on Swagbucks for buying two. Makes it 96 cents for two of them, or 48 cents each. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that instead. Or you could just get this one for 24 cents. But it's better together. And so. And I cannot wait to try this one right here. This brown butter chocolate chip cookie creamer. I cannot wait to try that one. I wanted to get one of all of them, even though I've tried the French vanilla already. But I can't wait to try that one. And so listen, this worked out pretty good. Now, I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I wasn't thinking when I was trying to use 5 OTC coupons, knowing that their system will only take 4. So I was trying to have her remove the 5th one, but she couldn't do it. And I didn't want her to avoid it and do it again, because this cashier and that she was in self-checkout, but she, you know, I don't want to push it with her, because she kind of like, I don't know. So I didn't want her to say nothing, because she was like, well, what are you scanning on your phone? I told her it was Walmart Pay, because I know how she is. And so she couldn't take it off. So I was like, whatever. Went to customer service, had to return one. So all 4 did go through. Yeah. Let me show you. Yeah, you want to see? So all 4 did work. Right there. All 4 came off, which is cool. Yeah, so I had to return the 5th one. And I submitted my receipt on Ibotta after the fact, but you know what, Ibotta, I still got credit. So I'm expecting they will reverse that. Maybe I'll put a ticket in. Sometimes when I put a courtesy ticket in, let them know, hey, this is what happened. Bless you, bug. Sometimes they'll just be like, oh, bless you, bug. Sometimes they'll be like, oh, well, since you're such an awesome person, just keep it. So that's what I'm gonna do. And we'll see what happens. So the Colgate offer on Swagbucks for $4, that did go into review, but I did scan the toothbrush in it, and it works. And so I'm gonna have to probably put a ticket in, because the Arm & Hammer went through, and the I think it's just saying $1.50 between the Colgate. So I'm probably gonna have to put a ticket in for that. Palmolive went through on Tada. And I'm thinking of ordering some IPs, because I did see somewhere that the printable, or someone posted or commented that the printable is working with that, along with the sister app. So I may try that as well, over doing or waiting for checkout 51 to see if it resets or not. Other than that, everything else here worked out good. As you can see, all these bags are still closed, so you know I haven't did none of the surveys yet, which I probably will start today. Other than that, everything you see here retails $89.91. We had $13 in coupons. That brought my out-of-pocket down to $76.91. Our sales tax was $3.20. I'm getting back $49.20 from Flavor Wiki, $34.88 from Ibotta, Swagbucks $5.50 hopefully. Tada was $4, and checkout 51 $1.50. Getting back a total of $94.08 back, making this all a $17.17 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. Other than that, if you make it to the end, I appreciate you watching. Okay, so let's do this. For the mayo coupon, it expires the end of this year. All right, if you want it, we'll do a giveaway. I have 6 of them, so I'll do 2 per person. We'll do 3 winners. So if you want the best food, I think it's best food / Hellman's $2 off coupon that expires the end of this year, just comment mayo or I want mayo or whatever, and we'll do a giveaway in the next video. Because honestly, I don't think I'm going to use them. And I don't want to keep them and hold on to them when I'm not going to use them, because I have a ton of mail already. And so other than that, I appreciate you guys watching so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.